bad, you know. Right now.
Right now. Gonna look over later.
Get them up. Be the style up. Know what is your fit, cause we are all a positive vibe, right? Right now, count.
Like not for Eskimo.
As a Sussex would have said.
Yeah, hombre. Right now. You know we deal with it already, man. Or should I say, girl? You know we deal with it already, man.
Here.
Girl trail get slapped for you know.
Right
You
now.
see me? Them for know.
You know what that means?
And a normal thing. You know what that mean? Just land at Toronto. You hear that? It name piercing. The girl them piercing. The girl them say them love them piercing. You don't know it. Temperature.
Peer thing.
Yeah. Yeah, hombre. Bad blood sitting, you know that. Yeah, hombre. The volley of the shadow of death.
Oh, bad like Tivoli.
Yeah. Yo, right now I feel like kill somebody. Yo. But you don't know. What are ya? Mad vibes. View the place. Yeah, play shot back. You don't know. So when you see me and my friend them a flash, but sexy y'all money we a endorse. Just go round my neck, diamond in a cross. When you see my friend gabre and mad Ross.
And when you see me and my friend them a booze, straight shades and we now go
the dog got the real Canadian liquor. Buck.
Get them up. Live and living color.
Bad blood sitting.
Man, you see me? Yeah, man, me and the girls them a roll out. See me all the stuff them big up. Stay in them, you see me? Mad thing.
That was yeah, mad Ross, man. You see that now? Mad thing.
Girls love my shades. See that?
Got so many shades of thought I gotta bleed the eye.
Yes, Papa.
Yo, no, I don't bleed the eye, I weed the eye. You don't know. I'm just going to smoke some cigarette, you don't know, foreign style. When I reach the cushion of the head yet. You hear that?
Stay with it.
Yo, RPG. You know them can't war with. RPG, I'm a real boss now, you know that, you know. Mad thing. Next. I say a word. Next. Mad sitting man, we just there go and hold it off. Whole head concussion, stay so. Right now. Bad blood sitting, you know. Sean Dizzy. Volley. Gabriel there go and take it to them.
Man.
Yo, we burn alley. I go walk to them. Volley.
Right now. See that?
Smoking zone. You understand? But smoke on your own. Cause the smoking zone.